Yo, you know what the thing when I realize with Jamaicans? I don't feel like I know Caribbean people. Then, I feel like Jamaicans don't understand, say, other people out there in the world love we as artists, you know. I want to know why Jamaicans feel like if they don't listen to a song them on YouTube, nobody else not going to listen to it.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set, we're blessed. And you also know the story ain't complete if Kingmixup ain't on the beat. And there's a whole lot of topics we need to discuss. But as you know, today is Halloween, if you celebrate it. As you can see, Usain Bolt does. And those are his 20 boys. In them, costume. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let's get down to the meat of the matters, you see me? No, Miss Ochi, aka Shauna, controller boss, you see me, been in some entanglements, you know what I mean? And whenever she's beefing, people them draft her, you know what. Yep, you guessed it, her past with Gully Bop, you see me, so no, she put out.
Griefs must be crushed for me going down.
Where you want, on our YouTube channel saying RIP, Gully Bop, them still, live on your name. You see my answer, me people. Put in the comment section where you think about that. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, beginning of the video, you heard Teejay making some complaints, not against Caribbean people, but Jamaican people, particularly. It kind of sounded like Shensia. Because, when she was trying to do, her new music and all of this stuff, people wasn't feeling it and all of these things. So, no, him drop song and him in the same position. But he's here to set the record straight. You know what I mean?
Yo, you know what the thing when I realize with Jamaicans? I don't feel like I know Caribbean people. Then, I feel like Jamaicans don't understand, say, other people out there in the world love we as artists, you know. I want to know why Jamaicans feel like if they don't listen to a song them on YouTube, nobody else not going to listen to it. My brother, it's been 4 years since I only perform on a certain show in Jamaica. And I always get bookings. And if me check the insights for my career, because we have things where other people might can't sign into, or other people might can't go check. Other people out there love with music, you know. Other people out there, like, you have Trinidad, you have Belize, you have Antigua, you have Barbados, you have Guyana. They have St. Martin, St. Vincent, St. Kitts, St. this, St. that. They have so much country that support dancehall music. But here you go with the numbskull Jamaicans them who feel like say them alone support artists. Music and never competition. You see me big up every artist who do it same way. Music is not competition. You see me? And if I see Teejay post something, bro, you don't need to sit down and say, yo, oh, him can't do that like that man there, or re. Because it's never a competition. We've been a do it. We've been a do it from 2018. It wasn't a competition, bro. You see me? The only thing more Jamaicans do for me is unite and push the music. Just push the music them, just push the artists them and support the artists them. You see me? Yeah man, no have to make it look like say the artists them in a Jamaica. Every artist me talk about me alone. People out there love on the artists them. People in the next country them love on the artists them. So love on the artists them too. That's how I say. I don't come here for find no problem. I not come for beg you no, or pity me or pardon me, because me a one boy, I don't want nobody pardon me. Before you pardon me, me tell you go suck you, man. You see me? Because I don't like people pardon me. I don't like nothing free. I don't like handout. I don't like people just handout thing to me. Anytime people come to me and tell me, say, yo, this and that, and it sound too good to be true, I always tell them, say, yo, this sound too good to be true. You see me? I not work with easy things. You see me? Yeah. Me will work hard to get what I want. You see me? Big man thing. Make me go through pressure. Make me go through pain. Make me suffer so I can make a mistake. So I can learn from my mistake. You see me? Yeah. That me I say. And all I undercover f them on the live, big up on yourself, same way. Because if you're in support our music, I don't really feel for the on the live. You see me? Some good music. Sick like Kiki come like up top nothing do nothing good. Eh? Every time up top get up and I drop good music, everybody else fans have problem with it. Oh. Azali. Azali, say you feel. Yeah man, a boy have to go man and go on over an artist page, man. World know me not like nobody with that name there. Scully, I lie when I like nobody with that name there. Nobody will have a name upon their thing on Instagram when I like them. Honestly. Kiki, my face ever smooth. Now do that. I don't know my skincare routine different. I can't give away that product here. Skincare routine different. All my son females get up and in the bathroom. I see all mommy thing in the bathroom all 1 hour. Rub up your face and rub face and rub all kind of sitting upon your face. And we as man, we just go in the bathroom and put some water in our hand and just dash water upon our face and go so. Eh? We just dash water upon our face and wash your face. Yeah, mommy to your face smooth, man. Promote with music, them, man. I saw the dude makeup, man, beating a rubber on her face. Soon drop a 53, man. What go on, cuz boy? And if I'm glad so I'm not done like Jamal, I can read to I text them in a car. What do you miss my friend Jamal on a live and him and I end what trade say, yo, I wish me could have read for big up someone and message them. Sometime. Right now we have 384 people on the live and may I be honest with you now, when we come off our live, I want to go left some more comment on that song. They never complain. I want to share the link. You see me? Yeah. Do you know the style go? And for all who not believe in a unity and for all who not love unity, we don't love one another. The unity we are praying a dance right now. You see me? Yeah, we have to get with music big like Afrobeat music worldwide and bust under all these numbers that me depend. So you're supposed to vax them. You're supposed to vax them and run up a sound. Leave some more comment, share up it. Tell a friend to share it. And if you have a friend who want to fuck her about a song or unity, tell himself it lock off your mouth, man. I could promote that song. Yeah. That's it. Roadside, go and big up on yourself. Mad. Yo, God and time. Yes, enough people now gonna believe in you. Bro, you know, I'm not too business about people believing in me, because I'm believing in myself. I've been a believing in myself from 2013. From Prime Minister and Next Knowledge and Stars Plus and Fox as it. We've been a believing in ourselves and reached this far, so. Who fi stop me? Who? Who fi stop we? Just that more and more. And I have a theory from other day when I want to teach, you know, too. I want to say something to you know. I say this what I'm about to say. I want to screen record it because it is a serious advice. And normally, to get these advice, you would have to pay for it. So if I'm giving you it free, I think you should take the knowledge. In this life, you see, if you're not a home owner, you can't tell me how to deal with my yard. So you can't tell me how to run my house. See? And if you're not richer than me, you can't tell me how to make money. So that simply means that if you're not better than me in life, if nothing not going for you, if your life not run smoother than mine, I don't feel like you have to give me no opinion, you see it? I don't feel like you have to come tell me about, yo, this have to do, or me think this have to do. Go suck your mouth with your opinion. You see me? And that goes to everybody upon the live. You see yourself, believe in it. There's no way people for come tell about this have to do and that have to do. And when I check for them live, a joke thing I go on. They not live better than you. They not eat good food like you. They not wear good clothes. They not drive good vehicle. They not do nothing good. You see it? Them only live off of opinion. Them only live off of them imaginary brain. You see me? So, what me I say to you is, if your life not better than mine, I don't think you should give me any advice. And if your life not better than nobody else, do not give anybody advice. Fix your life first before you try and fix people's life. You see me? Yeah, that's the last thing what me I say. Run up a song. Believe in a unity. Yeah, straightforward. Promote where I promote this. Teejay, Massacre, Teejay. Anywhere you want to put it, no matter to me. Dancehall where I do it for. You see me? I'm out. Boom. Oh.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. People will have to leave this one. I'm shocked because we have more bagger to upload. Have we been uploading at the last 12 hours? Check out them on the other channel, you know what I mean? Them say, you know, the queen of TikTok homeless because our 2-bedroom apartment is not what they expected. I think it looks nice. You see me, I say, yeah, but I bet things are going, you see me? And I got more to upload over here, so you see it. So like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.